and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So in today's video, I've got an exciting one for me, and it's an unboxing of the huge Body Shop starter kit that I received for becoming one of their at-home consultants. So if you saw in my haul a couple of videos back now, I think it was my drugstore haul part 2, which if you've not watched it because it's a big haul, I'll link that down below. But I did mention that I've started to become an independent Body Shop at-home consultant. So with that, I then received this kit. I did pay £59 towards it, and then I do actually get a bunch of products in here worth over £220. So I thought we could unbox it together because there's some things in here that I absolutely love already that I've already owned, and there's also things in here that I've never tried before. So if you've tried them, let me know down below. And also I did sneakily take something out of here a couple of weeks ago when I received this, and I've been using it ever since. So yeah, if you want to see what I got inside this huge box, then please stay tuned. So this is a really good chest, you know, because I would actually reuse this to keep a lot of my Body Shop stuff in. So it does open up like this to start off with, but obviously nothing was in the top shelf. And then it was like, oh, this is so hard to keep holding up, but you've got 2 drawers, so I'm just going to open the drawers and then I'll show you what's inside. So first things first, a little accessory which I have used, so excuse if you see any makeup on, but it's this Body Shop headband. It's just really handy to have, so yeah, love that. And also another accessory to have is a clean, conscious, reusable makeup remover pads, because obviously they're very environmental friendly as a company. They don't really want you to be testing out a lot of these products and then keep using normal cotton pads, so therefore they put in these. So inside you get 7 reusable makeup remover pads, which I've never actually tried these before, so I'm keen to see how they work and if they work, because I go through cotton pads like anything. And I think it's really cute that they come in this little sack. Oh yeah, they're like a muslin kind of texture, and then you just pop them into the sack and then into the wash, I believe. So yeah, so the next thing I got was this vitamin E face wash. So this is the Gentle Face Wash, and it's a 125ml bottle, and this says the vitamin E skincare range pledges to help all skin types, feels like hydration is here to stay. A lot of people love the vitamin E range, so I'm excited to give it a go. I've not yet tried it, but yeah, my mum actually really loves the face wash and the moisturiser, so yeah, keen to give this a go. And then we've got the Body Shop Vitamin C Skin Reviver Instant Smoother. So this says it's an instant radiance with a silky smooth finish, an ideal skin pick-me-up to enhance your glow. Can be used alone or with a moisturiser, and this is enriched with Brazilian nut oil. So it says it's for dull, tired and grumpy skin. So yes, this sounds really good. And then we've got a huge bottle of the hemp hand cream, and this is amazing. I actually used to buy this for Connor because, you know, from working in like construction and stuff like that, his hands used to get really dry, especially like here, and this would really help. So yeah, I absolutely love this hand cream. And then we've got a pot of the vitamin E moisture cream. So this is a really good daytime moisturizer. And then we've got a huge tub of the shea butter. So this is a multi-purpose moisturizer for body, hair, face and lips, and it's one of their cult products as well. It doesn't really smell of much, but yeah, that's just what it looks like. It's a huge tub, so that will actually last me for ages. And then going into the second drawer, so I'm quite gutted about this because it did come with the aloe calming toner, but unfortunately it leaked, so it literally came empty. And yeah, I'm sad about that because I actually love Body Shop toners. Like, I've used the seaweed one and I really wanted to try this one because I need a gentle toner on my skin, and this is formulated for sensitive skin, so this would have been perfect. So I'm just going to repurchase the bottle. And then I got a shower gel. So this is the pink grapefruit scent, and this just smells unreal. It's very fresh smelling. But yeah, I absolutely love the shower gels. I use them all the time. And then we've got a huge lemon purifying hand wash. This is a really big bottle. And yeah, very citrusy, very beautiful. And what can you say for a hand wash? But it's expert care for purified and protected skin. And then I've been using this guy every day, twice a day since I've got it. And this is the Drops of Youth Concentrate Environmental Protection. So this is a gel-like texture which quickly leaves skin feeling fresher and replenished with moisture, forming a protective layer to your skin to help make it feel strengthened and suppler. And this, my god, my skin has felt so much better since using this. I'm not even joking. Like, the hype around this this is real. As you can see, don't know if you can see, but I've actually used quite a lot of it. But yeah, I use this morning and night, and yeah, I've been really enjoying how plump my skin feels afterwards. But yeah, I do feel like it's really helping my skin since I've been in like a proper skincare routine. And yeah, I'm glad to get this. This is something that I know that I will continue to use forever. And then we've got another product which I absolutely love because I've got loads of these already. I usually get them at like Christmas and stuff. And this is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. So this is what the texture looks like. So this is a purifying glow mask which exfoliates. It's a clay mask, and oh my god, does this make your face look so fresh after using it. And I used to think this actually stings, but no, that's just it doing its thing. It's meant to be tingly, it's meant to be refreshing, and it's meant to extract all the crap in your pores and in your skin. And you can tell as it dries, and you can see all the like your pores extracted. That's where you know it's working. So yeah, that's what it's meant to do. By the way, if you've got this and you think, ouch, that hurts, am I having a reaction? No, you're not. It's just it doing its thing to your skin, and it wears off after a good few minutes. As it starts to dry down, then it just feels like normal. You just have to be careful that when you wash it off, because it's got all bits in it, you don't want to scratch your skin. Be really gentle when you're washing it off. This is a really, really good mask. And then we've got a big tub of the Shea body butter. So this is for very dry skin. 96 hours of nourishing moisture, and this smells so good. But yeah, as you can see, it's just a big tub. And then we've got something that I've not tried before, and it's the Coconut Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub. So again, another big tub of this, and I bet this just smells amazing. I always use the coconut body butter when I get out of the shower. So this I think will be a godsend to help remove your tan. Oh, and it just smells, I don't know why I'm like this so you can smell it, but that's what the texture looks like. It looks delicious. This is going to be my part of my routine to help remove fake tan. And then we've got the almond milk body yogurt. So this is for sensitive skin, and this, oh, smells amazing. So this is a 48-hour moisturising, instantly absorbent and non-sticky gel cream. Can be applied on damp skin after your shower, and specially formulated for sensitive skin. So the difference between this and like a body butter is this absorbs into your skin so much quicker, and it just smells amazing. It actually looks like yogurt as well. Like I could actually fully eat that right now. And then last but definitely not least, a cult favourite of mine which I use all the time. This is my one that I'm currently using. As you can see, it's nearly out, and that's lasted me for ages, but I know I've got a fresh one, a nice backup. I can't even open it to be honest, but this is the Chamomile Cleansing Butter. My god, if you saw in my haul not that long ago, I said I actually picked up the Chamomile Cleansing Oil, which is this, and I absolutely love this. And this is the same range, but it's actually the butter formula. So if you like a cleansing balm, then this is great for you. It's perfect for sensitive skin, and it actually does remove stubborn makeup. You know what, I feel like I'm having an allergic reaction to some makeup I've just tested, and I'm just going to pop a bit of this on to help soothe it a little bit, because it is just a godsend. Yeah, I get really sensitive skin sometimes, so I have to be careful of what I actually put onto my skin. And like some makeup do like just react to my skin, and some skincare reacts to my skin. Like I've literally come up in a massive rash all over my face due to like the Ordinary product before, and like even Nivea products. So some things I've got to stay away from, like some ingredients. But yeah, stuff like this is so soothing on my skin. I literally cannot fault it, and it's something that I'll always use. So yeah, so that is the unboxing of my welcome starter kit to the Body Shop at Home consultancy. So let me know if you have any questions about it. I'll pop a link down to the catalogue below, and also a link to the Facebook group that I've got, and my Instagram page. So if you want to just give it a follow, help support your girl. If you've got any questions about products, or if you want to purchase any, then yeah, just message me on any of those pages and I'll be happy to help. We're not placing any orders until 8th of June at the moment, because we're in the middle of transitioning to a new portal where you can order directly from a website, and it'll be my own website. It just helps like the ordering process a little bit better rather than just DMs and stuff, I suppose. If you're a Body Shop fan, what is your favourite product? I'll be keen to know, because if I've not tried it, then I'll definitely will be trying it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!